Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl again, Eve, and today we are doing this cute hairstyle. Yes, so today it's not about makeup, guys, but I did some makeup because you all know that I love makeup. To the new members in the house, don't forget to subscribe. That is how we do it in the house. So subscribe. And to my returning subscribers, you guys have always been amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. So let's get straight to the video, guys, as you see how to style this natural hair, guys. So keep it locked and enjoy watching. So guys, already my hair is clean. As you can see, I washed it earlier and I have sectioned it into three. This here, this one here, and this one here. So I'll just go ahead and style my hair. And for styling, I'm using water and gel. This is Eco Styler gel, the argan oil. So I'll just splash the water and do the gel. Done with the styling of the gel, so now I'll wait for the gel to dry. Yes, and after 20 minutes I'll be back, guys. So I'm gonna wrap it with this one. See you after 20 minutes. So guys, I'm back after 20 minutes and the gel is dry. I'll now proceed and take this glory, it's a crochet braids. It's like so. So I'm gonna put this just here like a mohawk. So let's do that, guys. Enjoy watching. I will section these two bundles into three because I have 1, 2, 3. So I have to section this into three, then I fix them. So now I have sectioned them into three. There's this bundle 1, 2, and then there's this one here 3. So let me fix them, guys. So I'll start with this one, and I'm gonna fix this here. I'll fix the next bundle here. Like so. Then the last bundle here. So now the next step I'll do, you can see how it is. Now I want it to look as natural as possible. So I'll go ahead and separate this. You can see, like so. So the more you separate, the fuller it becomes. Now after separating the hair, this is how it looks like. I love it. I love it, guys. Woo, it looks more natural. Yes, guys, and we are done. We are done. I love. If you love this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit that red button there. Oh yes, and comment down below what you think about this look, and can you rock this mohawk?